Nah, you ain't gonna do that.
I want to put it in that. I want to buy me the lamb. I want to put it in that. Just because of who I am. I gotta go take any birds. Yeah, I forget who I am. I really been sleeping on money. The bitch, I feel like I'm home. They really been hitting on me. Taking some praise on them.
Big money, big money, big money, big money, big money, big money.
You recording? You recording? You recording? Alright.
Didn't he say you don't smoke?
Yeah, he's smoking cigarillos though. Come on, get up there. I'll give you a boost, dude. Come on, you want a boost? Come on, put your foot up. 1, 2, 3. Nah, you ain't gonna do that. Yeah, shit, bro. Start right.
Beautiful month. It's been a beautiful.
Talk to the mic.
I'm not getting down.
Talk into it.
I'm not getting down.
Talk into it.
I am not getting down that low.
Somebody give me a boost.
I hope you fall, bro.
Yeah, I was about to fall.
Bro, you smell like a black.
Cameron's the gay one in the group. He doesn't know it yet. He's still finding out his sexuality and stuff like that. So we're helping him expand his horizons. We're not helping. Start right. Yeah, let me start this up. Oh, fuck. Wow. I love Water Miracle. I hope it didn't stop, dude. I love Water Miracle. Okay, look, oh shit. How do I do this? Why you just ripped? Stop, bro. Make me look like a bitch. Jacket, well, hoodie. Shop at roycereviews.com. Let me stop. I don't got merch yet. Coming soon. Coming soon.
But y'all ain't read the sign though?
What? No trespassing?
It said enter free.
Hey, oh, shit.
They come for us.
It didn't record! So, you know, we was at the court, we were hooping. I was making the most points because I'm the best in the world. But there's no cap in that. But, bro, it was raining. Why do I sound white, bro? Bro.
State your name, nigga.
Nah, he knew, bro. He don't got to stay.
Man, what the fuck, bro?
Bro, I know where the best parties are, bro. We got to go to an Airbnb party tonight, bro.
Oh, my.
Bro, come on. Greenlight and them going to be there, bro.
Right, who?
I don't know, but like you know they gonna be there, bro.
It's crazy.
They gonna be popped out,
bro. They
gonna be popped out, bro. We gotta slide, bro.
We gotta be turning fuck for them niggas,
bro. Come on, it's at 10:30, bro. You gonna slide? You gonna slide? You gonna slide?
What?
We going to the party, bro?
Maybe I might,
bro. You lying?
If you go.
He put his dick on my neck. That boy Coleman's got a boyfriend, bro.
I ain't mad no more, cuz. I ain't mad no more.
Bro, that boy Coleman's got a boyfriend. That boy like it in the...
He said, I know, bro.
That boy Coleman's gay, bro. Let me find out, bro. Let me find out you like it in the butt, bro.
You like it in the butt.
Man, shut your Fruit Loop ass up, bro.
Shut your dick in the booty ass up.
Bro, y'all something different, bro. Y'all something. Y'all need to tighten up, bro. Bro, y'all gotta tighten up with this lifestyle, y'all. No, you love recording stuff, bro. Look at him, bro. Over here stealing people hot pockets, bro. Give me my hot pocket.
MK.
Give me my hot pocket, bro.
MK slot, nigga.
Bro, we finna run you over, bro.
MK slot.
Give me my hot pocket, bro.
Walk there, bro.
Bro.
Walk there, bro.
Nah, bro. Give me my hot pocket, bro. Give me my hot pocket, bro. Give me my hot pocket, bro. Give me my fucking hot pocket.
I don't damn hot pocket. Y'all better be lucky I got that shit out my house. That's gold to me, nigga. Orange y'all niggas on God, nigga.
Bro, he finna jump off the... Bro, he finna kill himself over a hot pocket, bro. Hey, I can never kill myself over a hot pocket, bro. Bro, that man is jumping off the edge, bro. Hey kids, don't ever try to kill yourself over a hot pocket. You know, there's plenty of hot pockets in this world, you know what I'm saying? So why not share them, you know? Somebody wanted to steal my hot pocket, and it's F you for life. Give me them hot pocket.
Bitch, what?
Okay. You finna play this, you know, new jump from Really Him Part 2, you know what I'm saying? LaRod, my cousin. Music shit up in my DNA. History school, I ain't fucking school. I guess on all my PMAs. Ain't getting no better than me. After me is a big ass downgrade. I stay poppin' shit. Ain't nobody stopping shit. I try that shit. I try never want that shit, alright?
She said she like me, but you don't lay. Never had a lot, don't know what it mean. Perfect girl, see you in my dream. I won't be the same if you ever late. You tell me how you ran out, but I be taking scared of loss, so don't get lost. My heart cold, bitch.
Oh, what about
By my love, it get